In order to get the iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to download an app from the Play Store. So let's go to search and let's enter iOS launcher and let's see what we can find. So we have a bunch of different options to choose from. Of course, I'm gonna choose this one over here as an example. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to set it up to start using the launcher from iPhones or Apple devices. Now feel free to try anything else if you wish to, and in this video I'm gonna just stick with this one. Once installed, we can open it. Of course, we will see some ads in the meantime. This is a free app, so we should expect some ads. There we go. So let's close it. Then we need to choose the language, so we're gonna choose English and let's press continue. After that we can press next. Of course, we have some customization options, so we can still adjust it to our needs. We can choose a wallpaper, so I'm gonna actually skip. I'm gonna keep the original wallpaper. Over here we can choose to continue with free version. Of course, another ad. And now let's wait for the preparation to be done. It should not take too long. There we go, tap on screen. And over here we have the option to set the launcher as the default operating system for the home screen. So I'm going to choose set as default, and over here we can switch to launch OS. We have the blur effect issue, which might not work on Android 13 and above, so okay, we can don't ask again. And there we go, we have our iOS launcher. As you can see, we have the app library as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!